So, in today's world, social networks have become a very prominent source of information and entertainment. Social networks display a lot of content, which can have both positive and negative impacts on our mental health. Some of the positive impacts would be that when social networks spread some information or post some content, when someone posts some content on these social networks, uh, they can spread useful information. That content can spread useful information amongst the youth about a lot of ongoing issues in the country. There can also be motivational posts about, suppose, a content creator's journey through some mental health issue that they've been having, and that journey can uh, motivate someone to rise from the ashes and work towards their own well-being and mental health. So these are some of the positive effects that social networks can have on someone's mental health. But there are a lot of negative effects as well. The content that is posted by peers or celebrities or other content creators can also spread issues like depression, anxiety, and they can also uh, they can also create issues with one's body image or other aspects of mental health. When a content creator or your peer or any individual on social media posts something, posts their own picture, or uh, basically when they post their own picture, it can cause a lot of body image issues, and it can lead to a distorted image of one's own appearance in one's mind, which can cause eating disorders and issues like depression and anxiety also. Also, when during the lockdown, a lot of people have been seeing their peers engaging into some sort of hobby or some other activity. This can cause sort of an inferiority complex and make one question oneself that why are they not engaging into such hobbies and activities themselves. And this can also lead to a lot of inferiority complex, and as I mentioned earlier, depression and anxiety. Other issues can be like, uh, when your peer is posting something on social media about a political issue or something related to, or some misinformation related to, for example, COVID-19. It can also, it depends how a person takes and interprets that risky information, and such information can also cause a lot of panic within our minds,
Okay, thank you.
and it, yes,
So, Samita,
yes,
uh,
sir.
can you tell me uh, what is the major motivation for you to choose psychology as your career or psychology related career for yourself?
So I decided to choose psychology as my career when I was in class 12th, but my initial interest arose in class 9th, when class 10th actually, when I had to choose my subjects for classes 11th and 12th. I had heard about psychology for the first time back then, and it aroused a sudden interest within me, and it provoked me to research more about the subject. And once I reached class 11th, I got exposed to more practicals and other theoretical knowledge that psychology was providing, that the syllabus was providing. And I got really interested in knowing why we do what we do and the reasons behind a particular behavior. And I would enjoy learning the technical terms of the daily life cognitive functions that we notice. So once I reached class 12th, I met a career counselor, and he advised me that he basically took a small test, and he advised me that I should definitely pursue psychology as my career in graduation. And that is what gave me a push and strengthened my mind that yes, this is what I should be pursuing as my career for graduation and further studies.
Okay, so can you tell me what are the apart from being psychologist or clinical psychologist and researcher or academician, what are the other major use of psychology in other career field? Matlab, you know, other career field which is basically based on psychology background?
So other than being a practitioner or a researcher, psychology can be used in other career aspects as well. It can be used in business. It can be used in the industry of fashion designing, and it can be used in
Tell me
the.
with the profile names, that what profile one can pursue or one can go in any
So
of the
one
these.
can, yes, sir. So one can go into human resources and organizational behavior. One can get into fashion psychology. If they're in the, so one can become a fashion psychologist. It helps in deciding what kind of clothing would sell the most, and how would a particular kind of clothing attract a crowd. It can also be used in um, deciding the logos of a particular company. For example, if a company has to design a logo to represent itself, there can be color psychologists to decide what color represents which behavior, and what kind of color will attract the crowd the most towards the company. So these are a few things that can come to my mind right now.
So can you brief me what the brief me about the evolution of psychology study, psychology as a subject?
So are you asking the history?
Of course, the history of the psychology subject, how it developed on or when was major milestones in psychology studies.
So the first lab was opened by Wilhelm Wundt in Leipzig, Germany in 1879. And after that, in India, it was opened in the University of Calcutta in 1916. And slowly, with the opening of the labs and universities, courses in psychology started emerging in different universities also. And so, psychology as a profession has been on the rise since the past few years only. Before that, it was not so prominent. Uh, so, this is what I can recall.
Okay, so can you also tell me major milestone of psychological findings, like at what era, what we explored, the major theories that you have studied? Can you
Yes,
put it in
sir.
chronological order?
I don't remember the years when the
Okay,
theories
matlab,
got
you
released,
don't
but
have
I
to.
remember the theories.
Okay, but still, matlab, we can yeah, arrange it in chronological order without telling the year name.
So I would start by saying how Freud had released his psychoanalytical theory, which consists of the levels of consciousness, stages of personality, stages of psychosexual development, and defense mechanisms. Then after that, I can recall Piaget's cognitive developmental theory, which was about the stages of development of a child from infancy till adulthood. And after that, around the same time, in fact, I can recall Vygotsky's sociocultural theory. He also released it around the same time. It was also a developmental theory from infancy to adulthood, to old age. Then, yes, sir, these three are the ones coming to. So, one more, in fact. So, Sternberg's love triangle. He also released it shortly after Vygotsky released his sociocultural theory. It was about the different stages of love and
Okay, so
relationship.
any theory that has been fully developed in India or by Indian psychologist?
So, Pass Model by J.P. Das.
What is it?
So, it talks about. So, can you just, I'll need a minute. I need to recall it. Yes, sir. So, Pass Model, as the name suggests, Pass stands for planning, arousal, attention, and simultaneous and successive processing. So, it was given by J.P. Das. I don't remember the year exactly, but it talks about how we execute our actions. We start by planning and applying problem focused skills. Then, after that, when we encounter a stimulus, there is an arousal, and we pay attention to that stimulus. Too much and too little arousal is not healthy. So there has to be an optimum amount of arousal for us to pay attention to that stimulus. And simultaneous and successive processing is how we interpret that stimulus. That is what PASS model talks about.
Okay. So can you also suggest how psychology can be used as a tool for development, overall development of a nation? Like
Yes,
if you
sir.
want to use psychology or psychological theory, or you as a developmental agent, so how do you help us with psychology?
So if I consider myself as a developmental agent, I would in a few years I would start working with a mental health organization or an NGO, and I would uh, contact schools and colleges
No, so
for
Pradha,
to
let's talk about psychology as a subject. How psychology will help can help in development.
the more students that enroll themselves into psychology and the more professionals that are produced, the more the number of those professionals will increase, and people will, and that is how the awareness of mental health will also keep increasing. People will book appointments. There will be an increase in people wanting to go to consult a psychologist for their mental health, and in that way the output of in that way those very individuals will perform well in their workplaces also, which will increase their output, and hence it will highly impact the economy of a nation. It will lead to an increase in the economy.
So,
And
matlab, psychology will help in boosting mental health, and then it will.
yes, sir.
So,
So it's
don't
a
you see any
cycle.
direct relation between psychology and development?
So I do. If there are more number of psychologists and mental health professionals, that can also directly impact the economy of a nation, because even they will produce some output. So that would also be a big step in the
Okay, so
development of the nation.
let me give you an stimulation exercise for you.
Yes, sir.
What we see that we are kind of patriarchal society, and uh, for our society, the male element doesn't have a respect for female element, matlab, lot many times.
Yes, yes.
So, if you want to deal with this problem, for nation or society, so do you have any mechanism or process based on psychology
Yes, sir.
to solve these issues or to change their mindset? Because psychological aspect of learning, psychological aspect of behavioral change, or psychological theories about
Yes,
character
sir.
and a person's behavior. So can we have some induction or some any kind of tool by which we can change the
So are you referring that if a person like this comes to me for therapy, then how
come
would
to
I
you? Matlab,
advise
can
them?
you make a policy for an entire society, like we can create
So
anything? Matlab, we can have a very unrealistic solution also, but that
yes,
should be
sir.
based on psychology.
So I have two solutions to this issue, two long-term solutions actually. So if an individual who has such a type of mindset comes to me for therapy, I would probably want to know what has caused this mindset to occur in his current life. I would try to dig deeper within his into his childhood and ask him questions about how his childhood was like. I would probably maybe engage into dream analysis, and I would engage into free association. Free association is where I would ask him open-ended questions, and he has to respond to them without any hesitation, and that way it will help me dig deeper into his unconscious mind. But other than this, for a large-scale population, I would probably contact schools, colleges, and workplaces for conduction of workshops and intervention programs.
So,
I
so
would
I
aim,
want to know what kind of intervention program, not the strategy of conducting workshop that a policymaker can think of. So,
yes,
you
sir.
as a psychology, what kind of intervention you would like to create?
So a very good idea for an intervention program would be engaging into role playing and skits. I would try to contact some individuals from the theater background and ask them to create a skit based on the current issue which I want to address, something like that. Because skits and theater are a very good way. Drama is a very good way to impact the people's mindset, and I would probably contact some college students from the music society who can maybe uh, create a song based on the current
Okay.
issue that I want to address.
So,
So these are the ways, sir.
okay. So Sampada, one last question for you, MP.
Yes,
Can
sir.
you tell me any dark spot in psychology or any matlab, not uh, well explored area of psychology which you would like that people should get into the research of this area, or finding or throwing some light into this that aspect, which is very important, which you find is very important to know. So that could
If
be
I
the research for your matlab, further research idea for any person like you or any other psychologist.
So if I start with the basics, I would like to dig in deeper and know why, dig in deeper and know the history of mental health stigma in the country. I would like to research on, or maybe I would like to conduct a research on why mental health and mental well-being and visiting a psychologist is such a huge stigma in this country, because none of us know the concrete reason yet. People consult doctors for their physical well-being, then why not mental well-being? And this is an issue which doesn't yet give us a concrete solution or a concrete reason, behind which there is no
Okay,
concrete reason.
any
So,
other dark spot?
no, sir, not that I can think of.
Okay, so what are the research people are doing these days? Matlab, what are the major area of concern for psychologists these days? So if you try to find out all the research which is going on in the subject
Yes, sir.
psychology throughout the world,
Yes,
so
sir.
maximum of the research is going on what direction or what perspective?
So nowadays, maximum research is going on the impact of lockdown on mental health. I read one research paper on this, and it was talking about the impact of COVID-19 lockdown on children and adolescents in Ireland. Sadly, there were very less Indian researchers. So this research was a qualitative research, and it was published in the International Journal of Environment and Public Health. And the author was Sullivan et al. And the paper got released in 2021. So this author, the researcher, he
Okay, now
used.
so give me any other idea other than lockdown based or COVID based subjects. Before lockdown, you can say what was the major concern of psychologists before lockdown?
So the research areas can be very varied. There is not one
I
concrete.
know they can be very varied, but what is the major focus area for people like in management? We can say a lot many research is doing in being done in area of leadership. So in psychology, what are the area which are in concern for the researchers?
So there are many areas. A few that I read about were body image issues with between children and body image issues in children and adolescents. It was uh, it was a research paper that was written by Paglia et al. In back in 2011, I think. And I can't exactly remember the journal it was published in, but the research paper talked about the impact of social media and not just social media. In fact, impact of social media on body image issues, and how body image issues are directly associated with eating disorders and self-esteem. So there was a positive relation between social media and self-esteem, and a very high correlation between social media and between body image issues and self-esteem and body image issues in and eating disorders.
So
And
what career would you like to make for yourself after psychology?
so I want to pursue child psychology as my career.
Why it is?
So when I was in my fifth semester of undergraduation, I had a subject developmental psychology, And once I went through the subject, it really aroused my interest a lot. So I made up my mind that I want to pursue child psychology
The
as my
reason
career.
of interest I'm asking about. What was there which basically piqued your interest?
So child psychology is associated with biology a lot, and I am really interested in. I used to be really interested in biology also. So it's an amalgamation of biology, and psychology with relation to how a person develops from infancy to old age. That is why it striked my interest, and I want to
So,
pursue it.
sorry, I told you that that was the last question, but I continued the
No problem,
interview.
sir.
So I would
Yes.
like to know about your hobbies and all the activities that you do when you are free.
So I love to read books, play the guitar, sing, and I love to journal also. Currently, I'm reading a book called Tuesdays with Mori by Mitch Albom. It also has a lot of psychological aspects to it, so it's quite interesting.
So did you find any interesting aspect of psychology, or can you relate your learning guitar with psychology?
Yes, sir, I can. So music has a very positive impact on people's mind. It provides people with peace and relaxation. So whenever I used to play guitar, everyone would very closely listen, and they would I mean, it used to give me a lot of satisfaction that I am
See,
a
the
stress buster.
process of learning guitar and psychology, can you relate these two?
So I didn't learn guitar, and I didn't take psychology hand in hand while I was doing that, but there is a field in psychology called music therapy. As the name suggests, it involves therapy with the use of music and singing and some instruments. So that is about it. I
Okay,
haven't researched with
okay, thank you.
music therapy so much.
तो पहले मैं बहुत ब्रीफ में तुम्हें फीडबैक दे दूं, उसके बाद रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ करके विल टॉक लेटर.
Yes, sir.
तो एक तो एक्सटेम्पोर में तुम सब्जेक्ट रेफरेंस बहुत कम दिया तुमने, मतलब द टॉपिक वाज सोशल मीडिया एंड मेंटल हेल्थ.
Yes, sir.
तो यू शुड टॉक इन टर्म ऑफ jargons, मतलब all those things that you said, or you the logic or analytics you created was good है ना, but that can also be done by any normal student. मतलब
Yes, sir.
anybody can tell that anxiety होती है, या फिर stress होता है, या फिर bad impact पड़ता है, या family issues develop होता है, your your development get interfered by other people's opinion, और ये सब चीजें तो हम भी बोल सकते हैं.
Yes, sir.
So you did not use any psychological theory or statement or jargon to describe that.
Yes,
So
sir.
as a psychology student, I was expecting that kind of from you.
Yes, sir.
So उसके बाद इंटरव्यू की बात करें तो इंटरव्यू में the first question I asked, what is your motivation,
Yes,
and
sir.
mostly you answered from where the interest for psychology came to you.
Yes, sir.
तो मोटिवेशन ऐसा होता है ना कि हम ये कर लेंगे तो हमें ये करने को मिलेगा.
Sir. Agree with me.
समझ में आ रहा है ना, तो
Yes, sir.
डिफरेंस समझना चाहिए था कि मोटिवेशन और इंटरेस्ट का क्या डिफरेंस है. तो
तो सर
इंटरेस्ट
इसके
कैसे
लिए
पिक किया वो तो तुमने पास्ट से बताना था कि भाई
यस
11th
सर.
में ऐसा किया, 12th में. जब मोटिवेशन क्या है तो तुम बोलते ना कि हम कॉलेज में जाएंगे तो हम ये रिसर्च करेंगे तो हमको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, फिर हम उसके बाद ये काम करेंगे तो हमको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, फिर हम अपनी
यस
क्लिनिक
सर.
खोलेंगे तो हमको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. लाइक मोटिवेशन इज व्हाट
यस सर.
फ्यूचरिस्टिक होना चाहिए, दैट शुड नॉट बी पास्ट, है ना.
यस
मैं
सर.
ये कितनी बार बोला हूँ कि जो पूछा जाए उस पे उसी को जवाब दिया जाए, जवाब दो तो बेटर होगा.
ठीक है सर.
फिर जो हमने तुमसे हिस्ट्री ऑफ साइकोलॉजी पूछा था, तो
यस
बेसिकली
सर.
यू नेम जस्ट 3 to 4 theories.
यस सर.
आई बिलीव देयर इज मच मोर इन
So
दैट
there are a
हिस्ट्री.
lot.
हाँ, तो तुम एक इवोल्यूशन पैटर्न अपने सब्जेक्ट का तो समझो. मतलब तुम मेरे से पूछोगे कि सर इकोनॉमिक्स कैसे डेवलप हुआ, या हमसे पूछोगे सर मार्केटिंग कैसे डेवलप हुआ, या मुझसे पूछोगे मैनेजमेंट कैसे डेवलप हुआ, तो आई कैन टेल. इवन तुम पूछो मेरे से केमिस्ट्री कैसे डेवलप हुआ, आई हैव स्टडीड केमिस्ट्री इन माय ग्रेजुएशन टाइम, तो आई कैन टेल यू लॉट मेनी ऑफ रिसर्च. ठीक है, कभी थ्योरिस्ट का नाम नहीं पता होगा, ईयर ऑफ कोर्स यू डोंट नो, यू डोंट रिमेम्बर कि किस ईयर में उनकी डेट आई थी, बट एक इवोल्यूशन, सब्जेक्ट इवोल्यूशन का पैटर्न तो तुम्हें हम कम से कम 15-20 थ्योरी से बताएंगे
Yes, sir.
कि मतलब सबसे पहले हम केमिस्ट्री को ऐसे देखते थे, देन वी वेंट इनटू मतलब मॉलिक्यूलर एटॉमिक स्टेज, और फिर हम ऐसे ऐसे मूव करते थे। तो मतलब यू कुड हैव सेड इन दैट वे, थोड़ा एलाबोरेटेड होना चाहिए था। फिर उसके
Yes,
बाद फिर जब हम तुमसे पॉलिसी, या फिर जब हमने तुमसे पूछा कि साइकोलॉजी को हम कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं डेवलपमेंट के लिए, तो मैंने कितनी बार अपने रेफरेंस में बताया है, आई थिंक यू डोंट रिमेम्बर दैट, और प्रॉब्ली तुम सुने नहीं होगे, कि कोई भी डेवलपमेंट पॉलिसी हम क्रिएट करते हैं, इट हैज टू एस्पेक्ट्स, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चरल एस्पेक्ट्स एंड बिहेवियरल एस्पेक्ट्स,
yes, sir.
है ना। तो तुमको मेंटल हेल्थ पे जाने की जरूरत थी, ठीक है, वो तो है ही, मतलब देयर वी आर वर्किंग, बट लॉट मेनी ट्रांजेक्शंस एज अ सिटीजन वी डू। ट्रांजेक्शन कहने का मतलब कि एक दिन क्लास में भी बता रहे थे कि आप किसी से कोई काम कराना चाहते हो, तो आपको
Yes,
कोई ना
sir.
कोई इंसेंटिव देना पड़ेगा। तो that psychological incentive that we want to create so that people can get motivated for any change, है ना। जैसे आप चाहते हो लोग अपने हेल्थ का ख्याल रखें, आप चाहते हो कि कोविड रूल्स को फॉलो करें, आप
Yes,
चाहते हो कि मेन जो है वुमेन का रिस्पेक्ट करें, आप चाहते हो कि जेंडर इक्विटी है, आप चाहते हो
yes, sir.
कास्ट बेस्ड ये ना है। तो एवरीवेयर यू वांट सम चेंज इन पीपल, है ना,
Yes,
दैट
sir.
कैन नॉट बी फोर्स्ड बाय फाइन और लॉ ओनली, है ना।
Yes,
तो
sir.
एक साइकोलॉजिकल एक परफॉर्मा प्रिपेयर करना पड़ेगा कि उनको अनलर्न कैसे कराया जाए व्हाट दे नो, and how to put new information in their mind, है ना, how
Yes,
to
sir.
create जैसे जैसे हम लोगों ने कई बार स्टडी की है कि जैसे गांव का कोई आदमी है which मतलब जिसके पास बहुत ही ट्रेडिशनल थॉट प्रोसेस है, when he came to city and he started seeing the things around, और कई बार हुआ तो many of the times they change और many of the times they don't even change, और ज्यादा
Yes, sir.
हेट्रेड उनको बढ़ जाती है। तो
Yes,
उसकी
sir.
स्टडी करके we can create a policy कि how we can put the awareness campaign and how we can keep a community based practice to change that mindset। तो जनरलाइज करके उस पर बात करने की बोला गया था, ठीक है। और यू ऑल्सो नो कि बिहेवियरल इकोनॉमिक्स भी एक चीज होता है,
Yes, तो सुना है.
बिहेवियरल फाइनेंस भी एक वो होता है। तो उसके हिसाब से, और जब हम तुमसे ये पूछे कि साइकोलॉजी के अदर कैरियर ऑप्शंस क्या हो सकते हैं, तो तुमने ठीक बोला, बट उसको थोड़ा छोटे में भी बता सकते हो कि एडवर्टीजमेंट, ब्रांडिंग, ये कस्टमर सेगमेंटेशन, इस बेस पे चलो ठीक है, वो दैट वाज ओके। बट यहाँ पे तुमको इंडिविजुअल की बजाय जनरलाइज उसमें बताना चाहिए था। और एक और जो हमने क्वेश्चन पूछा था जहाँ पे मैंने बोला कि तुम्हें यू नीड टू ब्रिंग, हाँ, इंटरवेंशन। तो
Yes, sir.
साइकोलॉजिकल इंटरवेंशन कुछ तो होता होगा ना, जैसे कभी तो कोई साइकोलॉजिस्ट ने थ्योरी दिया होगा कि अगर हम ये चीज दिखाएं तो उन पे ये असर पड़ेगा, लाइक the kind of school dress or the kind of infrastructure that we create, या the kind of कुछ भी, मतलब ऐसा कुछ होगा जिसपे लोगों पे वो पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट पड़े इन दैट वे।
Yes, sir.
तो
Yes, sir.
मतलब ऑफ कोर्स आई डोंट नो एंड यू इवन डोंट नो राइट नाउ, लेकिन आप रिसर्च तो कर सकते हो ना
Yes, sir.
कि अगर हम एक 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 स्टोरी भी हम दे रहे हैं तो किस तरह की स्टोरी क्या इम्पैक्ट करती है ना।
Yes, sir. Yes,
तो
sir.
तो मतलब हम, मुझे तो लगता है कि लाइक आप वो चाहते हो, किसी से भी कोई चेंज चाहते हो, तो
Yes,
आपको
sir.
एक क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा सो दैट आपको कोई ऐसा इंसेंटिव ना देना पड़े जो टेंजिबल हो। इंटेंजिबल इंसेंटिव जो है, इंसेंटिव जो है वो साइकोलॉजी बेस्ड ही होंगे।
Yes,
तो
sir.
मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम व्हाट वी डू इज वी गेस, है ना। अब जैसे मैं पढ़ाना चाहता हूँ बच्चों को, हम चाहते हैं कि बच्चे ध्यान दें, तो वी टॉक समथिंग, हम चाहते हैं कुछ ऐसा बोले जो मोटिवेशनल हो जाए, जैसे कि
Yes,
आई वांट
sir.
टू इम्पैक्ट योर साइकोलॉजी। लेकिन चूंकि हम नहीं जानते हैं साइकोलॉजी सब्जेक्ट को, एंड सिंस यू नो द साइकोलॉजी सब्जेक्ट, तो यू कैन यूज दैट इन प्रिपेयरिंग योर स्टोरीज, है ना। तो
Yes,
मैंने एक ये भी पढ़ा था, मैं तुम्हें एक यूट्यूब वीडियो भी भेजूंगा, तुम देखना, उसमें
sir.
स्टोरी टेलिंग के बारे में था। तो उसमें वो बताया था कि ऑफ कोर्स साइकोलॉजी इज आल्सो बेस्ड ऑन बायोलॉजी, है ना, मतलब
Yes, sir.
एंटरनेल और लॉट मेनी अदर जो होते। तो उसपे क्या था कि उसने बोला कि कौन सा पार्ट स्टोरी का व्हाट इम्पैक्ट इट गिव्स ऑन योर मेंटल साइकोलॉजी, और उसके हिसाब से एक पूरी स्टोरी कैसे चेंज कर सकती है किसी के परसेप्शन को। तो आई मुझे रिमाइंड कराना, मैं भेजूंगा तुम्हें यूट्यूब का वीडियो, ठीक है।
ठीक है.
थोड़ा सा उस तरीके से सोचो, बिकॉज यू हैव द सब्जेक्ट, यू आर नॉट नोइंग साइकोलॉजी लाइक मी, कि ऊपर ऊपर
Yes,
से हम
sir.
जानते हैं कि साइकोलॉजी इज वेरी गुड सब्जेक्ट।
तो तुम्हारा तो अपना सब्जेक्ट है ना, तुम्हें तो उस पे
Yes, sir.
वो वैसा गेम भी खेलना चाहिए तुम्हें उस तरह से।
Yes,
एक मिनट
sir.
रुको, मैं बताता हूँ मैं।